The aroma of freshly brewed coffee, the comforting hum of conversation, the familiar green siren. For many, Starbucks is more than a coffee shop. It's a daily ritual, a comforting third place. But what if I told you that this global giant knows your coffee habits, your secret cravings? Yet, as the 21st century dawned, Starbucks, like many titans, faced the existential question: how do you maintain a deeply personal connection with millions of customers when you're reserving coffee in over 80 countries? Launched over a decade ago, what began as a simple loyalty card evolved into a sophisticated data collection engine. Their algorithms are designed to detect patterns in individual purchasing habits. Did you buy an iced coffee every sunny afternoon last week? Expect a targeted offer for a seasonal cold brew. Do you typically pair your morning latte with a plain croissant? Starbucks, like all data-driven companies, navigates this delicate balance by striving for transparency and providing perceived value for the data they collect. The convenience, speed, and personalized rewards offered through the app are often seen as a fair exchange for the insights shared. A discount on a new, similar pastry might pop up in your app notifications. Every swipe of the app, every chosen customization, feeds into a continuous learning loop, refining their understanding of customer desires. This is the new frontier of brand loyalty, a seamless, intuitive, and highly personalized experience, powered by an intricate web of data. It's the silent, systematic way. The green siren knows not just your name, but your exact order, making sure you always feel right at home. One personalized, data-driven sip at a time. This isn't guesswork, it's predictive analytics in action. For instance, based on internal reports shared in Industry Analyze's personalized offers, delivered through the app can result in conversion rates that are 2 to 3 times higher than generic promotions, leading to significant increases in engagement and sales for specific campaigns. This level of tailoring makes customers feel seen and valued, transforming a utilitarian transaction into a curated experience. When you scan your app or pay with a registered card, you're not just buying a coffee. You're contributing to a vast, intricate tapestry of consumer behavior. If analytics reveal a surge in demand for plant-based milk alternatives in certain regions, Starbucks can strategically invest in new oat milk-based beverages or expand its vegan food offerings. By identifying and nurturing their most loyal customers, the ones who visit multiple times a week and spend consistently can offer them exclusive perks or early access to new products, reinforcing their bond with the brand. This isn't about fleeting promotions. It's about building long-term relationships through a deep, analytical understanding of individual value. If a new seasonal drink performs exceptionally well, the data quantifies its success and helps refine future seasonal launches. Furthermore, insights from location-based purchasing patterns, combined with external factors like local weather data, can optimize store operations and staffing levels, ensuring adequate resources during peak demand or even influencing future store placement to capture untapped markets. Understanding regional taste, for example, a higher preference for a specific tea in one city versus another allows for localized marketing and inventory adjustments, reducing waste and maximizing customer satisfaction. The system meticulously records not just what you bought, but when you bought it, or how you customized it, and even what else you paired it with. This rich stream of first-party data is the lifeblood of their strategy, according to recent company statements. In the United States alone, the Starbucks Rewards program boasts over 32 million active members, and a staggering over 50% of U.S. company-operated transactions flow through this loyalty ecosystem. This isn't just a membership, it's a direct, consented pipeline to consumer behavior. The answer wasn't in more storefronts alone, but in understanding each customer as an individual, at scale, with upwards of 38,000 stores worldwide. The audacious vision was to turn every single transaction, every touchpoint, into a whisper of desire, a hint of preference, a signal for what to offer next. And even your likely next order with a precision that borders on uncanny, perhaps even a little unnerving. It's not magic, it's a masterclass in data. A digital alchemy transforming every sip into a strategic insight. Starbucks has quietly perfected a data-driven recipe for personalized loyalty, blending billions of transactions with cutting-edge analytics to ensure you keep coming back, often for exactly what you didn't even realize you wanted. For decades, the coffee giant grew by mastering location, ambience, And product consistency. The cornerstone of this digital transformation emerged in the form of the My Starbucks Rewards program and its accompanying mobile application. With this immense volume of data, Starbucks shifted from mass marketing to hyper-personalization. Beyond individual preferences, the data provides broader insights that ripple through the entire organization. It informs menu innovation. The brilliance of Starbucks' data-driven approach lies not just in its sophistication, but in its strategic deployment to foster customer lifetime value. Of course, such a pervasive use of personal data is not without its discussions around privacy. In essence, Starbucks has masterfully transformed itself from a mere coffee vendor into a data powerhouse.